What if I told you that you could make $500 or more per day with just a side hustle, even if you have no experience? Sounds crazy, right? But in 2025, there are real ways to do it. And today I'm breaking down the 5 best high-paying side hustles that can get you there. These side hustles are beginner-friendly, flexible, and scalable, whether you want extra cash or a full-time income. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video and subscribe because I drop money-making tips every week. First up, we have freelancing, where you get paid for your skills, even if you think you don't have any. If you can write, design, edit videos, or even do voiceovers, you can make money on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and People Per Hour. Here's how to start. 1. Pick a skill: writing, graphic design, video editing, etc. 2. Sign up on freelance websites, Fiverr, Upwork. 3. Set up a killer profile and start with lower prices to get reviews. Pro tip: some freelancers earn $100+ per gig, and once you build experience, you can charge $500 or more per project. Before we move on, drop a comment below. Which freelance skill would you start with? Next up, selling digital products. This is one of the best passive income streams because you only create the product once, but you can sell it forever. Examples of digital products: ebooks and guides, printable planners and templates, stock photos and presets. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Shopify make it easy to sell. Some people make 500 pluses per day just from selling one product. By the way, if you're finding these ideas helpful, go ahead and smash that like button. It really helps the channel. Now let's talk about affiliate marketing, where you get paid for recommending products online. You sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or ClickBank and get a special link. Every time someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. Example: if you promote a $100 product and earn a 10% commission, that's $10 per sale. Just 50 sales a day, that's $500 a day. Where can you promote your links? YouTube, make review videos, TikTok and Instagram, short form content, blogs and websites. Quick pause, are you enjoying this video? If so, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more money-making tips. This one is super simple. Buy low, sell high. With flipping, you buy cheap or undervalued items, fix them up if needed, and resell them for profit. Best places to find items: thrift stores, find vintage clothes, furniture, or books. Facebook Marketplace, cheap electronics, gaming consoles, garage sales, and clearance sales. Example: buy a pair of sneakers for $50 and sell them for $150 plus. Do this a few times a day and you're hitting that $500 per day mark. Would you ever try flipping items? Comment below what you would flip. Finally, YouTube automation. Yes, you can make money on YouTube without showing your face. Here's how it works. 1. Find a niche: finance, motivation, tech, etc. 2. Create faceless videos using stock footage and AI voiceovers. 3. Monetize with YouTube ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. Some faceless YouTube channels make $10,000 per month and they don't even record their own videos. If you want a full video on how to start a faceless YouTube channel, let me know in the comments. All right, those were 5 powerful side hustles that can help you make $500+ per day in 2025. Quick recap. 1. Freelancing. Get paid for your skills. 2. Selling digital products. Earn passive income. 3. Affiliate marketing. Make money while you sleep. 4. Flipping items. Buy low, sell high. 5. YouTube automation. Earn without showing your face. Which side hustle are you going to try first? Drop a comment below. Before you go, take action. Like this video. It helps more people find it. Subscribe for weekly money-making tips. Turn on notifications so you never miss new content. Want more money-making strategies? Check out these videos next.